shapes in a world so round. Soft whispers in the colors we found. Pink and peach on a canvas so small. A story painted on nails standing tall. Natural light, it shines just right. Green leaves dancing in the night. Petals and chrome, a delicate throne. Hand-painted dreams, it's all we've known. Flowers bloom in shades that glow. Reshma's touch, let the beauty show. Chrome art sparkles like a morning dew. Every stroke, a masterpiece that's new. White blossoms kissed by a leafy hue. A quiet garden in a radiant view. Petals in chrome, a delicate throne. Hand-painted dreams, it's all we've known. Flowers bloom in shades that glow. Reshma's touch, let the beauty show. Fingers speak, their language refined. Art on tips, no words can define. Every brush, a moment alive. A world of color where souls unwind. Fingers speak, their language refined. Art on tips, no words can define. Every brush, a moment alive. A world of color where souls unwind. Fingers speak, their language refined. Art on tips, no words can define. Every brush, a moment alive. A world of color where souls unwind. Almond shapes in a world so round. Soft whispers in the colors we found. Pink and peach on a canvas so small. A story painted on nails standing tall. Natural light, it shines just right. Green leaves dancing in the night. Petals and chrome, a delicate throne. Hand-painted dreams, it's all we've known. Flowers bloom in shades that glow. Reshma's touch, let the beauty show. Chrome art sparkles like a morning dew. Every stroke,
1 hour later.